So I'm going to show you one more live hunting and reporting. So let's me fetch. Okay, this is my list now. I'll go to this website now. I will hunt for this website. Copy this. Okay, I will open this proxy. Right click, send to spider. Yes, yes. Now see. Now I have to sort the URLs having parameters. So I think I got these URLs having parameters. So I will pick first one, right click, send this to repeater. Okay, let's copy this, or let's give any input there, Batman. Let's click on go. I'll pause the spider. Okay, repeater. Okay, so I'll search a Batman there. So see, Batman is reflecting, and it's reflecting on 17 times. Okay, so right click, send this to intruder now. I'll go to intruder, positions. I'll first clear this. I'll click on add payloads, load xss.txt. You know the steps now. Okay, I don't have to tell lots of times. Start attack now. Now tell me what you have to do. You have to sort the length having highest parameter. So I'll double click on length. See, I'll pick this one, right click, show response in browser, copy this and see it's executing or not. So see, it's executed. You can do there what, you can just right click, send this to repeater one more time. I'll make one thing alert. So I'll do alert 1 to document dot domain. Let's click on go, or you can right click, copy URL. Let's do there. See, 61. Okay, let's do confirm 1 to to. So this is a polyglot. Okay, so document dot domain. Let's see. See, now it's executing. I will take screenshots. I'll copy this. I'll check one more time that it's executing or not. See, it's executing now. See, now I will make a report first. So vulnerability name is cross-site scripting. I won't give any descriptions. Vulnerable URL, I will give URL. Oh my god, no problem. Vulnerable parameter, I will give what, uh, s was the vulnerable parameter. Okay, vulnerable payload. So payload is a script or code that used to identify vulnerability. So this is a payload. You got that identified cross-site scripting. So let's copy this. Let's give there. Now, how to reproduce this issue? First step. See, it's a gate based. So anyone will visit this URL. Okay. So see, if anyone will visit this URL, they will get this pop-up. So make it simple, like visit this URL, it will alert XSS pop-up. That's it. Now second, sorry, there is nothing to that. Third is POC. What's the proof of this, that you got a pop-up, a screenshot enclosed in attachment. Now I have to search the reporting. So this is a Eramas. Okay, so I'll search this on Google to find a reporting mail address of this. Let's go to google.com. Okay, maybe I will get, okay, this is a, okay, this is a Erasmus University, Erasmus University Rotterdam. Let's find there the vulnerability report. That okay, it's a eur.nl. So let's copy this and find some reporting of this uh, responsible disclosure. To find some responsible disclosure for this website. Okay, yes, there is a responsible disclosure. So I can report there now. At the meantime, I'm going to open my mailer. Okay, no problem. So where is okay, this is search at the rate eur.nl. So I'll report there. Search at the rate eur.nl vulnerability report, and I'll just cut and paste there now. Oh sorry, spill. Now we'll add a screenshot there. Just report this now. That's it. You don't have to do anything extra there, okay? So this is a way to do hunting and reporting. I hope it's clear to you now. And I won't able to do live other websites. If you will have any difficulties onto that, we will have a discussion session over there. Thank you.